Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile and easy to use Excel tools. If you're an independent contractor managing multiple jobs or a business that needs to assign jobs to the nearest available contractor, today's tool is exactly what you need. I'm excited to introduce our independent contractor scheduling software, designed to help you quickly and easily find the nearest contractor for any job, all within Excel. Whether you're handling 5 jobs or 5,000, this tool automates the matching process, saving you hours of manual work and ensuring that assignments are based on the closest contractor available. Here's how it works. No software installation needed, just Excel. Simply enter your list of job locations and a list of your contractors with their addresses. The tool then automatically finds the closest contractor to each job, giving you a clear, organized list of assignments in seconds. No more guesswork, no more manual comparisons, just a fast, accurate way to allocate work efficiently. This tool is perfect for home service companies, field service managers, construction businesses, real estate professionals, and any industry where jobs need to be assigned based on proximity. Whether you manage a team of plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, inspectors, or any other independent contractors, this tool makes it easy to ensure jobs go to the closest available worker, helping you save time, fuel costs, and effort. We've been building Excel-based tools for over 16 years, helping 7,500 plus satisfied customers simplify their workflows and eliminate manual calculations. Every week, we receive emails from businesses telling us how much time our tools save them. Many of our users used to spend hours manually matching contractors to jobs, scrolling through lists and comparing addresses. Now, with just a few clicks, this tool does all the work in seconds, ensuring the right contractors assigned to the right job, based purely on location. One thing that sets Excel Distance Calculators apart is our commitment to simplicity and customer support. We built this tool to be user-friendly and easy to use. If you ever need help, you can call us directly, send us an email, or even use the live chat on our website. And yes, you'll be speaking with a real person, not a bot. If you're ready to automate your job assignments and eliminate manual work, click the link in the description to download the independent contractor scheduling software today. We're confident this tool will help you work smarter, assign jobs faster, and maximize efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks again, and happy scheduling.